previously we have talked about the managed team part of the enterprise management solution. Now let's talk about how you can configure this whole enterprise management system. You can create label for your system. So whenever you are adding your ticket or you're adding your lead, you can choose those labels to segment your client into a better category. So if you wanted to, uh, suppose you're adding a lead and you wanted to add the amount, the place that your customer is from, or their state or any other information, you can add and you can create those labels and you can add those information and then segment your client based on those information. So let's see how you can do that from the configuration option. Here in the Msgclub, you click on this configuration option, and here all the labels that were created previously, you will be able to see them, and you can also select their status. So if you wanted to show these labels into the when you are adding your ticket or when you are adding a lead, you can select this enable and disable button. Here you cannot delete a label once it has been created, but you can disable the label. You can do that from here. So first let's create a label and let's see how you can show that and where you can show those labels into the enterprise management solution. So click on the add label. Here, first you have to add the label sequence. Since this is the 8th label, I'm selecting the 8th. Now you have to select the label name. So now I'm using the now you have to select the team type. So this label, which team you are creating it for, you have to select that. So if you are creating this label for your sales team, then you can select the sales. And if you are selecting it for the support, you can select the support. I am creating this label for support team, so I'm selecting support. Now you can enable this. If you wanted this label to be shown at the time of add, you can select this enable status. And you can also select the multi-select option. So if there is more than one option you want this label to be selected, you can select the multi-select. Since this is a city for my customer, I don't need to select multi-select option. I just want one value in the label. Now, when you select this, label value show inside the lead table, you can also select this checkbox if you want this label value to be shown inside the lead table. You can also click on the show on the WhatsApp chat screen. So this label will appear on the WhatsApp chat screen if you select. I don't want that. I'm not selecting this. After doing that, you just have to click on the add label, and your label will be created. So here my label is being created. And now let's see if we can add more values. So for now we have created the label. Now we have to put some value into this. So you have to click on the label itself, and then it will appear like that. So since there is no value, it's completely empty. Now let's add some value. Click on the add label value button, and that will be the first value. The first value I want this. And that was my first value. Now you can select the status. If you wanted this to show up in the when you're adding or updating. You can also add the label color, and you can also select the close ticket space. I have selected the ignore as the first label value, and now you just have to click on the add label value. Now let's add another. Click on the add label value. The label value sequence should be the second. That's what I want. And now I'm writing another label. And now I just have to click on the add label value, and another value has been created. And that's how you can create multiple values. And now I just label value. Now there are three values of this label that has been created. Now let's see where the label value will be shown. So as we have created that, now let's click on the WhatsApp chat. And here, since that was for the ticket, let's click on the ticket. And here you can click on the add ticket. And as you can see, the customer's city label has been created in all the options that we have created. And these are the label values of it. And that is how you can create a label. Now let's see other option in the configuration. So click on the configuration. Here there is another option which is update UI content. So you click on that. All of these are in the pop-up. Whenever you will click on the lead or ticket, in the pop-up there will be customer information that will be visible to you. And there will only be 3 customer information that will be visible for you. So you can select those information that you wanted to be visible. So if you want your customer name, you can select that. Or if you wanted your customer mobile number, the email, the city, or their occupational address. These are the only things that you can add and that you can see when you are looking at your customer information. Now I'm selecting the email. You can, these are the names that, these are the customer info label. So when you are seeing that, you can see if it is a name, you can write the name for that. If it is a mobile number, you can write mobile number here. That is how you can change the value, how it will appear in the pop-up. So one second, email I'm selecting. And now all 3 of them have been enabled. So all 3 of these information will be visible in the pop-up. And disabling the third one, which is short name. If you done a short name, then you answer the address. Now I'm address here. Now I just disable this. And you have to click on the update button. So once you click that, your UI content has been updated. And then you go into the chat option and you select the link. You click on the add link. Now only the number, the client name and the mobile number is visible. You can also change the viewing. So if you want the mobile number to appear before the name, you can do that as well, as I've shown you. Or you can show all the 3 values if you enable. There are only a limit to how much information you can see when in this pop-up, which is 3. Only 3 customer information is available. And that is how you can make the configuration. Here in this list also, you can enable and disable your label. You cannot delete a label once it has been created. You cannot enable and disable it. And you can also choose to show that label on the WhatsApp chat. So if you select this section, your label value will be visible in the chat. Any of your customer has, if any of your agent has used that label information when adding a ticket or that information will be available in the WhatsApp chat where you will see the city name and how many tickets were raised for this particular day. You can also edit this label by clicking on this edit label option. Click on that. And the same page will appear. There you can edit the information. This is how you can configure your enterprise management solution.